Hi, welcome to Artistic Documentation. In this video I will show you that how to design a cylindrical shape chart design which is under the quadratic shape. So here you can see the columns is QTR, quantity, content, and here I have used the 6 column for a 6 demo data to design this chart. It is a tutorial purpose I have designed, but from the next video you will get so much real-time data I will use to design chart and for the tutorial purpose. So hereby we are just showing the 3D chart designing, and this is the first video for tutorial purpose, and from the next I will give you some real-time data. So here we have just entered the data demo. So here you can see the 6th column is under the chart. First one is the service level, and the second one is blank, third one is lower cap, upper cap, and the fifth one is middle one, and sixth one is middle two. So this 6 all column data will be counted under the chart, and the chart will show us some visualization, clear visualization to customer or consumer. So hereby the service level has data has been already inputted, and next come to the blank, and this way we were using the 6 column data for the demo purpose, and hereby you can check out we have just marked the 6 column and select the chart. Hereby you can see any kinds of chart, but this chart is more perfect for these types of calculation. Here we will remove the gradient and the axis for our better understanding. So we will use the data, which is data management system, is under the tomb. Here for the 6 column has representing the 6 different tomb and the different percentage. So we are checking out the shadow, that what kinds of visualization keep it to us. And here you can see the 6 column data is colored by several tomb partition, and here I'm just checking the 3D rotation, but this time the format data chart, and we are checking the transparency and the solid line, gradient line, what kinds of shape is come with us a better result or better visualization. Though we are in testing format, so we are just checking out the color of gradient, and which give us to the better result for visualization purpose. And hereby you can see, so this gradient we have chosen, but after all, and shape has changed by cylindrical, and also here we will change the chart title. So this way you can select particular partition of the tomb, every tomb, and change it to the add level. Add level means the percentage will directly shown inside this tomb. So hereby very much visualization will come, and we can see the approximate data inside our tomb. So any kinds of consumer when come to first see this chart, they can visualize the chart and then come to the main data sheet, and they can match with each other. So this is really very helpful for any better understanding for long-term calculation. So this way we can create a 3D chart system for any kinds of data, and we can easily clear the concept. So one column is shifted to the solid line, and I'm trying to shift it to the transparency purpose, and just check out the option that what types of option is available here. This will comes under solid fill. See, it's visualize more. So that's why it's I have done for only the tutorial purpose. So when you double click on any kinds of part, then it will select exactly to the same point, and other stomp will be removed. So this way you can design the 3D chart design system and use with your datasheet. So I hope this video is very helpful for next updated videos, information and the understanding purpose. So thanks for watching my video and hope you guys learned something new, and welcome to my channel Artistic Documentation again.